Hey, good morning. I am out touring some model homes, and today I've landed at Monticello. This particular neighborhood is going to have two different amenities. They actually have river access here. The other amenity will have pickleball and several other different activities. This builder has 18 different floor plans to choose from, anywhere from 2,100 square feet up onto just a little over 3,600. We are actually going to tour the hill. This particular home is 3,033 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a study, a media room, and a formal dining room. Let's go in and check out this house. The base price for this builder in this particular neighborhood is $499,900, and this house, the hill that we are in, starts at $624,900. So as you come in, the study is off to the left from the entrance. Nice, large, spacious entry area. As you come on in, you'll notice the flooring. This is an upgrade. It is a luxury vinyl plank, which is great for dogs, kids, water, you name it. It holds up for everything. We're going to go this way to start. This particular house is 3,033 square feet. Your first full bath with this walk-in shower. And you'll come over here. This will be where your garage entrance is. You've got a nice little mud area, some storage here to the side. Love this laundry room. I always got to have a countertop with a little sink there. Lots of storage space, guys. They did a lot of upgrades in this home. Lots of special features. Love the accent wall. Decent size first, secondary bedroom for you. So let's go on and see what else this house has to offer. As you come into here, you will go into your second secondary bedroom. This is actually set up like a Jack and Jill, so they share a bathroom. Nice size closet. They've got a cute little barn door on there for you. Love the fact that you can close off the shower area, toilet area from the sink. And it leads you into your other secondary bedroom. Really nice size, lots of natural light. And guys, this is a huge closet, like for a secondary bedroom. I love the storage. Never can have too much storage. So let's go out here and check out the media room. This is my favorite room. I think I would just chillax in here on a hot summer's day and watch me some movies. And then we're going to go out here, and as it opens up into this grand area, you've got your formal dining area set up with a really nice sized table. It opens up into your kitchen area. Just really bright and airy. I love it. I love this island and the sink. This is a gas community. 5-burner range here. Huge corner pantry. You've got your oven, your microwave, and then it comes into the breakfast area. Just very open, as you can tell. They've put a lot of different upgrades. One of them would be the cabinets to the ceiling, and the wood beams in the tray ceiling. So let's go outside. This is also one of my favorite places. So this is an upgrade, this little kitchen area for your patio. And I love the design they put on this concrete here. Just kind of adds a little pizzazz to it. But these homes have different lot sizes. They're generally 60 by 130, and there are some larger lots to the back if you want a little bit more space. I could surely get you some information on that if you're interested. So let's go check out the primary suite. Welcome to your primary bedroom. Got a little seating area over here. As you can see, lots of natural lighting. Huge king-size bed. I love the accent wall. Tray ceilings. Love the little doors to close off your suite. You've got a dual vanity here. And look at this tub. Oh my goodness. Could you see yourself soaking in that? You've got your toilet area over here, walk-in shower, and you've got your closet area behind you. I'd love to show you this beautiful model home and all that they've put in it, so it gives you ideas as to what you could put in your home. So please give me a call, give me a text, whatever works. Let's get together. Thanks.